This video will walk you through how to use our online Address Locator tool to help you determine what middle school and elementary school boundaries your address falls in. First, navigate to the district website and click the Boundaries link under the About section. Then click Address Lookup, and then the link to use the locator tool. On this interactive map, you can select whether you'd like to see elementary or middle school boundaries. You will see the respective schools plotted as pinpoints on the map. To search for your address, click the search icon and begin typing the address. Results will display below the search box. When you see the address you want, click on it in the results. A pinpoint will be added to the map. Click the back arrow to change boundaries or to begin a new search. You can use the map's tools to zoom in or out, and you can click and drag to move the map as desired. Please note that this tool works best on a desktop or laptop computer rather than on mobile devices. Please also note that this tool is for informational purposes, and all addresses should be confirmed by calling the registration office or emailing studentupdate@district158.org before making big decisions such as purchasing a home. Thank you.